Hey everybody, this is Christopher Pope with Pope's Food Medicine. I wanted to make this video first. This is going to be one of a sequence of videos that I'm making moving forward about growing medicinal foods. And yeah, so I hope that you enjoy. I hope you enjoy this intro that I worked so very hard on. Let me know what you think. And yeah, let's just get to it. So, this is how I pour my agar. At this point, I've already made my agar. I didn't want to show that in this video because I have multiple recipes. And yeah, so I'll go over that in another video. So I'm just going to open up the package here and make sure I'm keeping everything nice and clean and sterile as I get the petri dishes out of the sleeve. Gonna make sure everything's nice and sprayed down with isopropyl alcohol, 70%. Keep it all nice and clean. As you see, I am not wearing my lab coat here. I have my arms exposed, so there may be dust or skin particulates coming off of my arms and landing on the surface. So that's why I go over it, keep everything nice and clean. You see my little side toss I did there. That is because I don't want to continuously take my hands out of the laminar flow. I want to keep my hands as clean as possible, and that means just tossing the trash. So that's 133 degrees Fahrenheit is the temperature of one of the agar vessels. And then 110 degrees Fahrenheit is the other one. I can pour both of these at this temperature. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the fresh batch that I just made. Get the cap off here. You see it's covered in foil because the vessel will be partly opened in the sterilizer, and you want to keep the moisture content the same. So I'm just going to start from the bottom here and pour a little bit into each plate and work my way up, keeping everything as balanced as possible because it would really hurt to just drop all of these plates. They would all be wasted and I wouldn't be able to use them. Yeah, so we're gonna make sure we don't do that. And I'm just gonna pour my way up, working as quickly as possible. Um, and yeah, once I get a little bit of momentum going here at the bottom, then it'll go a lot quicker. That does it for that agar. And this is just some agar I had left over from the last batch I poured. And I'm going to put it on the stir plate here to mix it up a little bit. And then just keep going until all of the plates are full. And there you have it. That is 25 agar plates ready to go. And what I'll do with these is I'll inoculate them for a new culture, or sell them to people who need them that don't have the facilities to pour them themselves. They're very affordable. If you'd like some, go ahead and check out my Facebook page and shoot me a message. But yep, that's it. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask me in the comments. Let me know what you think of this video. Here's just a quick peek inside my mostly barren tent.